Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. The name is Ginny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this Marley twist. I am loving it so much and I actually did it myself. I did a pretty good job for my first time. This is a protective style that I'm really loving. I didn't know I would love it that much. This is the model Cuban twist. I bought 4 packs, 2 color T30 and 2 color 4. I mixed the 2 and I have really black hair, so I will say that I have 3 colors going on here. I have 1B, that is my hair color, and color 4 and color T30. Took about 6 hours to get this hair done. I would have finished earlier, but I had to take a break. I had to eat. I had to do other things. So yeah, in total it took about 6 hours. I'm just here to tell you that I really love this hairstyle. It's really protective. My edges were not touched, so yeah, this is not going to rip my edges. It's not heavy. It's very lightweight, like very lightweight. I can hold it in a bun and feel no tension on my hair or my scalp. This hairstyle is it. I was actually going to pay my hairstylist to get this hairstyle done on me, but I realized, well, I can't go out. It's Corona time and everybody's supposed to stay indoors. It's so simple and not time consuming. You're going to save your coins too, okay? You will need your shine and jam, your elastic bands, and I had to put some oil on it so it doesn't pull my hair. You need your hair. I use 4 packs in color T30 and in color 4, so 2 of each. So this video is going to be about this super easy protective style. I'll be doing this on freshly washed and detangled hair. I decided not to blow dry my hair because it's a protective style. Again, the hair mimics my hair so good, so I didn't have to do all of that. Unfortunately, I didn't part my hair on camera because, come on, it is so hard. But I always use 2 mirrors to part my hair. If you're finding it difficult to part your hair, don't worry, keep practicing. Practice makes man perfect. So with this big section, I'm going to divide it into 3 equal parts, okay? 3 parts. Just to make sure my hair is very soft and properly detangled, I'll further apply a leave-in conditioner. This is one of my favorite and is the Garnier leave-in conditioner. It has coconut and glycerin. This twisted hair is not soft at all, so I had to apply some leave-in conditioner on the hair too, just to make it a little bit soft. So I'll go ahead and apply the shine and jam to my hair just to make sure it stays in place. Then divide it into 2 sections. Place the twisted hair right in the middle. Using my elastic band, I'll go ahead and tie the 2 natural hair together, and I tied it about 5 to 6 times. Please don't make it too tight. It's supposed to be a protective style. If it's too tight, you might probably lose your hair. So yeah, heed to my advice. So I'll go ahead and twist my hair as well as the twisted hair together, and I'll just twist downwards. So this is the regular way of twisting. Apply the shine and jam or any gel of your choice to the hair as you twist both of them downwards. Once you're done, it should look something like this. It's not the neatest, but hey, it works by me. I will show these steps a couple of times so that you guys can understand the whole process. So I'm going to repeat the same process for this section too. I moisturize, detangle, then divide the hair into 2 sections. Then I place the twisted hair right in the middle of the 2 natural hairs. Using my elastic band, I'll hold the 2 natural hairs together. Then I tie it about 5 to 6 times. Then I twist them downwards. Even though this is my first time trying Marley twist, I think this is not the hair I was supposed to get. It's not soft. I mean, after I finished, it looked cute or whatever, but I feel like if the hair was just a little bit softer, I would have gotten a very neat look. But hey, as I mentioned, it's my first time, so next time I know what type of hair to get. I finished the 3 twists in the back. It's not the neatest, but as I said earlier, it is okay. I mean, for first time, I think it is okay. So I'm going to do that to the rest of my hair. I don't want to keep repeating myself, but it's the same process. It's very, very easy and simple. This actually took about 6 hours because I took breaks. I had to eat. I had to do other stuff, and I came back to it. In fact, it's quarantine, so I had all the time in the world. Even if I wanted to continue the following day, I would have been able to continue the following day. I actually showed a lot of processes on camera, but that is okay because I want you to understand that it is not hard. If I was able to do it, you could certainly do it. And in my opinion, the rubber band technique is easier than doing it the regular twisting way because it's not time consuming and you can do it yourself. I cannot do the regular twisting method. So far, we are about 80% done. Yay! I was so excited at this point because I was just over it. I was ready to be done. But now I want to show you how I do it in the front again. Girl, you showed it already. But it's okay. I hope you guys are not bored yet. It's quarantine. How is everybody doing? How is your quarantine going? I hope you are staying home and staying safe. If you are bored, there are so many things to do. You can check out my other YouTube videos. Very entertaining. I'm trying so hard to entertain you guys. Again, what are some other videos you want to see on my channel? Just leave it in the comment section, okay? If you watched till this part, I really love and appreciate you. But let me know in the comment section if you've tried this style before or you are yet to try it. If you do try it too, tag me on my Instagram page. I'll leave it in the description as well. I will finally apply my Lotta Body coconut and shea oils mousse to the hair so that it looks very shiny and also it lays flat. Not literally, but yeah, you get it. I'm just going to put in some accessories. I didn't get a chance to do that yesterday. I was just very tired or lazy to get that done. Okay. I'm struggling out here, but I dropped everything, but it's okay. I'm just going to place them randomly on each twist. I don't know, these twists are quite big and I don't know if this is actually going to fit, but I mean, instead of getting a mirror, I'm using a viewfinder to actually do this. I think it's not bad. It's not bad. I mean, it is what it is. I just need my hair to look more aesthetica, if that's a word. I'll put one here too. Honestly, just random places. No style, no design. Just, I mean, it's not bad. It's actually cute. I've had these accessories for God knows how long. I bought like 5 packs or something. So I'll always have some whenever I get braids or something. Okay guys, so I am back and I randomly placed the accessories just anywhere, no formula, just place it anywhere, and actually there is life. It looks better than before. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave any nice comment, okay, because it really helps a lot, and like this video.